Hello dear students, welcome to Active Learners Point. Welcome in the maths class. This class is for standard 1st, semi-English, Urdu. Dear students, are you enjoying this math class? I know you are enjoying now. Very good. So, let's learn maths with more fun. Are you ready? तो चलिए सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, बेल आइकन को दबाते हैं, वीडियो को लाइक करते हैं और शेयर करते हैं. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लुक एट द पिक्चर ऑफ द स्क्रीन एंड टेल मी विच चाइल्ड इज टॉलेस्ट. दिस गर्ल इज टॉलेस्ट एंड दिस गर्ल इज शॉर्टेस्ट. देयर आर 3 children. This first girl is tallest and this girl is shortest. So dear students, today we are going to learn the new concept tallest and shortest. Are you ready? Shall we begin? Let's begin. Look at the next picture. In these 3 girls, which girl is tallest? This girl is tallest and this girl is shortest. Understood? Very good. In these 3 giraffes, this first giraffe is tallest and this last giraffe is shortest. Tallest, shortest. Understood? Very good. So dear students, remember the spelling of tallest and shortest. Tallest. Tallest. You may learn by grouping the words like tall, tall, est, tallest, short, short, est, shortest. Understood? Very good. So dear students, you have to color the box below the tallest dog. Which dog is tallest? There are 3 dogs. Which dog is tallest? This dog is tallest. So we will color below these dogs in this box. We will color below the dog in this box. This dog is tallest. Understood? Very good. In the next picture, color the box below the shortest tree. There are 3 trees on your screen. Which tree is shortest? This tree is shortest. So, color below the shortest tree. Done? Very good. Tallest, shortest. See the next picture. Color the box below the shortest pillar. There are 3 pillars. 1, 2, 3. Which pillar is shortest? Third pillar is shortest. We will color below this third pillar. And the first pillar is tallest. Isn't it? Right. So dear students, I hope you understood the concept of tallest and shortest. We will meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Thanks for watching.